Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can add a recipient in the WorldRemit app. WorldRemit is a fast and convenient money transfer app which enables you to send money abroad. So for this, firstly you'll have to open a web browser on your PC and open the official website of WorldRemit by typing in worldremit.com and make sure you log in to your account. After logging in, you'll be led to this home page, and on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a My Account option. If you click on the drop down menu, on the third last option you'll see My Recipients. Click on it. On the right corner of your screen you'll see a Add New Recipient button. Click on it. After that you'll have to select the country of the recipient. Click on the drop down menu and select a country. After that, you'll have to fill in the recipient's details, which includes the first name, middle name, which is optional, last name, also the address line, which is also optional, city, mobile number, email, which is optional, and a sending reason. If you click on the drop down menu, you'll see a varieties of options. You can simply select one of the options. After that, if you scroll downwards, you'll see the recipient bank details. Here, filling the credentials are totally optional, but you can still fill it. You can add the bank name, branch name, account number, and the transit code. After typing in all your credentials, all you'll have to do is click on the Create Recipient button, and now you'll have successfully added a recipient in the WorldRemit app. So it is that easy, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.